Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Today I'm making a video to a challenge that was issued by Tasha of Prep For It. That's PREP number 4 IT, so Prep For It. And she challenged a bunch of us to use our stable food storage to make a meal. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. In fact, the simpler the better. Well, I'm going to make a meal here using canned roast beef and a little bit of barbecue sauce. And I'm using specifically Ray's no sugar added original here. It has no sugar and, most importantly, no high fructose corn syrup like the others do. The one thing I'm going to be using is some hamburger buns. Some of you might be saying, how are buns shelf stable? Well, we used to buy extra when they were on sale all the time and put them in the freezer and then just take them out of the freezer. But if you want, you can use your flour storage, your wheat storage, whatever, make your own flour, make your own buns or dinner rolls, and use this on the dinner rolls or buns. So let's get on with it and I'll show you how it works. All right, so one of the things I want to point out is she wanted to let everyone know how much it costs to do this. Well, these cans come up to about $2.50 each. So there's $2.50 here. I've already opened it. I drained off the beef broth. And so now I'm just going to put it in the pan here. One of the things I'm going to do with it to make it work for this, to get all the pieces here out. There we go. So I'm going to break it up into smaller portions, so it's mushed, pulled beef like. This what I'm making is a barbecue pulled roast beef sandwich. So I'm going to break it all up here. Actually, let's see if I can get you in a little closer on this here. Heat it up here in a minute. All the pieces broken up. You don't want really big chunks. There we go. Everything looks pretty good. All right. Turn it on. Oop. There it goes. Temperature down to about 240 or so. Then give it a nice dose of barbecue sauce. As I mix it in, I may add a little bit more barbecue sauce to get the right consistency I want. It's going to take a little bit more barbecue sauce here, but let me get mixed up here first what I got here. Yeah, it's going to take a bit more. There we go. So I'm probably using 50 cents to 75 cents worth of barbecue sauce. Heat it up here and get it all mixed in good. Now if you want to do your own homemade barbecue sauce, you can do that as well. Now some people take barbecue sauces and they flavor them up a little bit, add different seasonings to it to make the barbecue sauce their own and taste the way they want it to. Mixing that up. There we go. That should do it. And start to heat up. Nice steam coming off it. So you really don't have to cook this. This is just heating. You actually could mix this all up in a bowl, put it in the microwave, and heat it up in the microwave too. cook this on like the electric range or on the induction stovetop plate here in the microwave. You could use a camp stove to heat it up. You know, just some way of heating it up because it's better than having it cold. Turn it down a little more. There we go. It starts heating through. There we go. Well, that's heating. I'm going to grab the bun here and get the hamburger bun ready. I like my hamburger buns, you know, a little softer, you know, especially if they've been frozen. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Let that heat up. And stir this up here a little bit more. Make sure this heats evenly throughout. Nice and soft with the bun here. This down here. Alright, this back down here. Okay, turn this off now. So I'm just going to scoop out some of the pulled roast beef. Barbecued roast beef. Now, depending on how thick you pile it onto the bun here, depends how many you can get out of it. So I could probably get 3 out of it as thick as I'm doing it here. All right, that's there. Bun on top of it, and there you have a pulled barbecue roast beef sandwich. Pretty good. So for less than $5, you got yourself 3 sandwiches. Alrighty. So everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping and building up your supplies, but practice using them. Remember, store what you eat what you store. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.